Go ahead, Ms. Rice.
Good morning. The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no talking, no smoking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, and no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, thank you. Now calling the matter, the people versus Khadijah Nicole Williams. This is case number SP 1225975. Count 1, driver's license never required. Count 2, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1225990. Count 1, improper lane check usage. Count 2, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Count 3, failed to secure child over 4 years old and under 16 in the seatbelt. Ticket number SP 1225998. Count 1, failed to properly secure passenger child. Count 2, failed to secure child under 4. Count 3, failed to secure child under 4. And ticket number SP 1226580. 1 count failed to secure child under 4. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexandra Miller, P86290, on behalf of Ms. Khadijah Williams, who is present via Zoom. Ms. Williams, please state your full name for the record.
Khadijah Williams.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for pretrial in this matter. I have had the opportunity to speak with Ms. Schneider. I was just recently appointed to this matter within the last day. Therefore, Your Honor, I am requesting one additional pretrial so that I may obtain evidence and discovery in this case and enter into negotiations with Ms. Schneider.
All right, I'm gonna give you plenty of time, Ms. Miller, just because the next time Ms. Williams comes back, I want to see to have a resolution or be moving forward for a trial.
Understood, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Williams, so it's gonna be a little ways out just because I want to give them time so that the next time we can decide what we're doing, either resolving it or moving forward with the trial. Okay, Ms. Williams?
Yes.
All right, so I'm gonna set it for August. We'll check your schedule, Ms. Miller. August 28th is gonna be the pretrial date. Let me know if that's a good day for you.
That is a good date, Your Honor.
All right, August 28th at 8:30 a.m. I'll keep your bond at $0 personal. Like I said, Ms. Williams, she'll be in contact with you. I hope you both exchanged information and numbers. So now that's gonna be your assigned counsel. She'll reach out to you and have a discussion with you, okay?
Yes,
Yes,
and we
thank you,
have
Ms.
done
Taylor.
that, Your Honor.
Okay, cool. All right, fantastic. All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing for today. We'll see you back, Ms. Williams. I know you've been very diligent in showing up. So just keep doing
Yes.
that, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a blessed
All right.
day.
You too, thank you.
You're welcome.
Mr. Woods, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room until I'm ready for you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Mr. Devin Wilson, you're next. You can unmute yourself, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Devin Terrence Wilson. This is ticket number SP 1385555. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Also calling ticket number SP 1385515. Count 1, pass on right. Count 2, failed to use seatbelt assembly system effectively. Count 3, failed to signal. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Alexandra Miller, P86290, on behalf of Mr. Devon Wilson, who is present via Zoom. Mr. Wilson, please state your full name for the record.
Devon Terrence Wilson.
Your Honor, today, oh, sorry, Your Honor. Today is,
Go ahead.
yeah, today is the date and time set again for pretrial, Your Honor. I have had the opportunity to speak with Ms. Schneider regarding this case. Again, I have been just recently appointed to this matter, and therefore I am requesting an additional pretrial date to obtain documentation from my client regarding some of these charges, as well as evidence and discovery in this matter, Your Honor.
Fantastic. All right. So I'm gonna give you that same pretrial date since it worked for the other one. August 28th, 2023. Same to you, Mr. Wilson. She's gonna talk to you. At that point in time, we're either gonna resolve it, or we'll set it for a bench trial. I know it's a little further out, but it gives plenty of time to do all the negotiation that your attorney needs to do and to figure out what's gonna be best in this matter, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, I'll set his bond at $0. This matter is set for 8:35 a.m., okay?
All right. Thank you very much, Your Honor. I appreciate it. And just so the record reflects, I have exchanged contact information with Mr. Wilson as well.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that. So
You're
everybody's
welcome.
good. We have our people together and we know what's going on. I appreciate that. All right. There's nothing for the record. This concludes these hearings. Both of you have a wonderful day, okay?
Thank
You
you. You as
also.
well, Your Honor.
Thank
Have a
you.
great day, everyone.
All right.
Bye-bye.
All right.
Bye. Mr. Warren, I'll put you in the waiting room until I'm ready to talk to you, okay?
Okay.
And TV if they right that she in the church. That was so funny. She was like, you know, people be We see the wrong.
Mr. Westbury, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room until I'm ready to hear your case, okay?
Okay.
56.
Mr. Williams, I'm gonna put you into the waiting room, okay, until I'm ready.
I'm glad he got work.
Mr. Wade, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room until I'm ready, okay? Mr. Williams, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room until I'm ready to talk to you, okay?
See you later.
Mr. Wesley and Mr. White, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room until I'm ready to talk to you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You gotta connect to audio. You gotta connect to audio. Hello, ma'am?
Hello.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Can you connect me back to my room? My
What room
phone.
are you in?
My
You
name
break up.
is.
If you're in a moving vehicle, you probably shouldn't be in a moving vehicle because your reception is terrible. Because you're going past different towers and it's weak towers. So that's why we recommend that you're not in a moving vehicle most of the time because your reception will be awful when it get cut off. And you need to put them on. Report. Well, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room till I'm ready to talk to you, okay? Remember what room she was in? This like young lady, I don't know her name either.
What was her name? You said last name, what? Oh, that was, Tragedy Wallace.
Oh, no, she already went in. I got this Wallace. I don't know whose iPhone it is.
Oh.
Her reception is terrible because wherever area she's driving in, got bad cell towers.
What she got? Is she in the bathroom? She's in the bathroom.
No, she in the car though, and she only has a tank top on.
You understand? Oh, I'm about to say, look.
What's your name, ma'am, again? Maybe I can hear it now. The reception is terrible. What's your name? iPhone 3? iPhone 3. What's your name again?
Danae Williams.
Oh, the name William.
Ms. Williams, you're gonna have to put a top on for our whole court hearing today too, just so you
Ma'am?
know. Yes. I said you're gonna have to put a top on. Something just to cover you up when you actually have to come on, okay? So you can have
Yes,
it
ma'am.
like it's now. Actually come in and talk to me in the courtroom. You're gonna have to do that. So I'm gonna put you back in the breakout room. Let me put
Okay.
you in breakout room so you can talk to the attorney.
Okay.
All right. Let me see where he's at. So I'll put you in the room close there after. Okay, I'm gonna put you in room 19 because you probably lost your other spot. Let me see. All right. Join that room, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I don't see the other room.
It didn't ask you to go to 19. Let me see. I might have messed up. Hold on a minute.
No, ma'am.
All right. Hit the side of your phone at the top. Do you see four little dots pop up?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
There it go.
Left hand side, yep, the Joy 19, yep, okay. Ms. Watkins, I'm gonna put you in a waiting room until I'm ready to talk to you.
Okay, Your Honor. Ms. Watkins, I'm gonna put you into a waiting room until I'm ready to talk to you. Not you, Miss Watley. I don't know what's wrong with your phone. It won't let you go into a breakout room. It's something wrong with it. And we can see everything that you're doing, all the moving around and stuff. So I don't know if that's part of it too. But I tried to put you in a breakout room and it's not working.
Okay,
Call the courtroom, Miss Watley. I'm gonna give you the phone number. You ready?
hold on, let me get a pen.
Unless you want to call back on the
No, it's like over in and out.
You want to call back on the
Okay, I'm ready.
313 965 2293.
Okay,
Okay, call that number. You can hang up from this and then call that number, okay?
okay.
They have to do that. Ms. Williams, it seems like you're going someplace and you're driving and you're not gonna be able to stop today and the reception is terrible. So call my
Ma'am, it
courtroom
keep
court date,
it
okay?
keep kicking me out. I don't know why it
I
keep
know it
kicking
keeps
me out.
clicking you out because either you're picking up the phone or the reception in whatever area you are is terrible as you keep driving. So you can
Yeah,
call
it's
the court.
terrible
We'll
out
have
here.
to reschedule. Well, we have to reschedule you for another day because I can't keep doing this. You can't keep coming in and out and in and out. So I'm gonna give you the courtroom phone number. Are you ready to take it down?
Yes, put this phone number down. What's the phone number?
313
313
965
965
2293.
2293. You want me to just call up there?
You call right now because, yeah, you don't seem to stop moving and you keep getting kicked out. So today must not be a good day for you to have a court hearing. And I need a day where you're gonna be able to be still and have a court hearing, okay? So call right now.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Okay. Bye-bye.
All right, Ms. Wright, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room until I'm ready to talk to you, okay? All right. You're welcome.
The right,
There you go.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Clerk, I'm gonna place you in the waiting room until the judge is ready, okay?
Okay.
You look so nice before.
I'm sorry. Why she come back?
I don't know, she ain't cockroach.
That's the only reason so frustrated because.
I don't think she got.
I mean, oh, it smell good.
Miss Watley. She probably wrote the number down wrong.
You ready, Attorney Baldwin?
I'm ready on all cases, Your Honor. Could I have like 180 seconds for a sip of water, please?
You can. I was about to say, take your moment and just turn your camera on when you're ready, okay?
I'll be right back.
Okay.
I'm ready to proceed, Your Honor. Thank you.
Hello, okay. Ms. Ware, I'm gonna call you first.
Yes.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Monica Marie Ware.
Ready to
This is the
proceed, Your Honor.
SP 1415819, count one, drive unregistered and untitled vehicle. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number SP 1415841, one count careless drive. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Your Honor. Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, Ms. Ware, please state your full name for the record.
Monica Ware.
Thank you, Judge. This matter is here for pretrial. The defendant has not previously been given an opportunity to do the better driver's course. We'd ask you to adjourn this matter and give her an opportunity to do that. She's been advised.
All right. I'll set this matter for a pretrial on the date of August 28th, 2023, 8:30 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay, ma'am?
That date was again, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, August 28th. You got a lot going on in your background, that's why. August 28th at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'll see you there.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm gonna let somebody in, Attorney Bachman. She's been
Okay.
trying to stay on all day and it's a little rough. Ms.
Mhm.
Watt, can you hear us, Ms. Watley? Ms. Watley? Is that her name?
Yes, I
To me?
can.
Okay, all right, Ms. Watley. I'll put the attorney in a breakout room with you so that he can talk to you about your case.
Okay.
So it's gonna actually put you there, okay? So it's just gonna have you go right to the room.
Is she from yesterday?
No, she's from today. She is under 835.
I got it.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna
Tamika, we gotta find out whether it's Tamika or Tamika. Like,
I put her in room number 2 to talk to her. She's been waiting in town.
okay, I'll be right back. Your Honor.
Are you ready on Ms. Watley?
Yeah, if I don't accidentally leave the meeting. No, we're not ready on Ms. Watley. I'm awaiting correspondence from Ms. Snyder. So
Okay, I'll put it back in the room, my bad.
I figured we could get something else out of the way while I.
Absolutely, so I'll put it back in there. All right, I'm gonna continue on the list and the people.
Ready.
Okay. Ms. Wallace?
Yes.
All right, now calling the matter of People versus Chantony Wallace. This is ticket SP 1390532. Count 1, expired plate. Count 2, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Bachman, P55052 for the defendant. Ma'am, Ms. Wallace, please unmute your device and state your name.
Oh, Shantanique Wallace.
Thank you and good morning. The defendant is here for pretrial, Your Honor. She's been advised and wishes at this time to waive her right to any further hearing or trial. She's gonna plead guilty to failure to display, and the other count will be dismissed here according to the recommendation.
All right. Ma'am, if you want to take advantage of that, please raise your right hand. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're gonna give up the right? Understand that you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still move forward today?
Yeah.
I know, I understand. You can put yourself on mute. I'm gonna ask you a question and then you can respond. I know this probably the loudest your child has been all morning.
Nope. Not true.
Not true, okay. All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of September 16th of 2022, ma'am. Were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of McDougal and Business Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you're driving that vehicle, did you fail to display a valid operator's license?
Yes.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
I am satisfied, Your Honor, and I'd stipulate to probable cause as for the matter to be dismissed here, and thank you.
You're welcome. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to 1 count failed to display. The remaining count will be dismissed. My fine typically, Ms. Wallace, is $200. Is that something you're able to afford? I'll give you some time to pay.
Yes.
All right. How long do you need? 30 or 60 days?
30.
All right. So I have to do no later than July 7th, 2023. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Good luck to you. And it's okay. I know kids can be a lot. They tried their hardest. Okay. She tried her hardest.
Yes.
Want to be a part of court today. I appreciate her.
Every single word she said was sweet.
Oh, okay. I understand. No worries. All right. Good luck to you. Have a good. She right on your head too. It's hilarious because all I see is a little head coming up like, hey. It's all right. No worries.
Okay.
All right. Good luck to you. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Gonna be Clifford Woods.
Ready?
Mr. Woods.
Yes.
All right, now calling the matter of People versus Clifford Edward Woods. This is ticket SP 1368868. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, improper plate. Count 3, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Also calling and warrant status ticket number SP 1269870. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant, sir. Please state your name. A little louder, please.
Clifford Woods.
Thank you, Mr. Woods. Judge, the defendant's been advised he wishes at this time, because there's a genuine and material issue of fact, to set these matters for a trial. He's going to waive his right to a jury trial here today and ask for a next action date by Zoom.
If that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have an opportunity to talk to Attorney Balkman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a waiver trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that right, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set this for a waiver trial on the date of September 19th. September 19th, that's going to be at 9 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, I'll see you on September 19th, 9 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Edward Williams?
Hi.
Sir, can you take the hat off for me, please? Thank you. Now calling the matter of the people versus Edward Williams. This is U ticket 629-30122. This is one count vending without a license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, would you state your full name?
Yeah, it's Edward Keith Williams Jr.
Thank you, Judge. We are here, I believe, for show cause or arraignment purpose, so we will waive any more formal reading of the information and complaint, stand mute for that, and ask for a pre-trial date, please.
All right, I'm gonna set this matter for a pretrial date, sir, on the date of August 28th. Hold on a minute. August 29th, okay?
Okay.
All right, August 29th. I'll see you back for that, okay?
All right.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
Please don't let me give out that date anymore, Attorney Bachman.
28?
Yeah,
Okay.
I won't be, no, I'm going until 20.
About to say you're going on a excursion, August trip, love it.
I'm like, take it. All right, Mark Williams, you're all set, Mr. Williams, 29th, the 29th. I'll be back. All right.
Hello.
All right, hello. Now calling the matter of the people versus Mark Wims. This is ticket SP 1369193, one count drove while unlicensed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state, sir, your full name?
Sure. My name is Mark Williams.
Thank you. And good morning again, Mr. Williams. I would ask if the court could confirm that the defendant has a valid and current license according to the Secretary of State. He did present today to me a license, and it was issued in November of 2022. I presume that to be current and valid.
Okay, I'll have it run real quick to make sure.
Thank you.
valid.
Nice. So I would move to dismiss for compliance, and I stipulate the probable cause for that recommendation, and thank you, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, now that he has a valid document, the court's gonna grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this without prejudice. You're all set, sir. Make sure you always keep your license up to date and valid, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, have a great day.
You do the same.
I will thank you. Deshaun Warren?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Deshaun Warren. This is ticket number SP 1360004. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3 on that same ticket is improper plate. Ticket number SP 1384535. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1384539, 1 count improper plate. Ticket number SP 1385859, 1 count improper plate. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number SP 1385868, count 1, drove while license not valid. Ticket number SP 1419501, count 1, improper plate. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drove while unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number SP 1419676, count 1, drove while license suspended. Ticket SP 1385739, failed to use seatbelt assembly correctly. And ticket SX 3673402, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman for the defendant. Sir, state your name.
Deshaun Warren.
Thank you, and good morning again, Mr. Warren. Excuse me. Your Honor, the defendant has a pretrial on July 11th at 8:45. Would you please adjourn these matters to that date and time so that we can get a global resolution of all his matters? Please and thank you.
We have to put them all on this day. We put them all on this day.
Okay, perfect. Glad to know. I have a resolution and the defendant is gonna here now plead guilty pursuant to that. That is specifically that he would plead to 3 counts of improper plates.
All right.
1 count of failing to display a valid driver's license. And 1 of the seatbelt counts. None of those carries points on his driving record. The remainder of the counts, I believe, there's 17 in all. The remaining counts would be dismissed here, and I would stipulate the probable cause for that recommendation, Judge.
I have all 17.
Great.
Okay. All right. So if you want to take advantage of that offer, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down, Mr. Warren. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Baughman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in this matter? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I want to take you back to the date of December. December the 31st of 2022. Sir, were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of Joy Road and Broad Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
And while you were driving, was your license suspended at the time?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you also have improper plates on that vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
Also, did you have no car insurance on that vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
Was the vehicle unregistered or untitled at the time?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
All right, and also drawing your attention to the date of August 31st, 2022. Were you in the area of Grand River and Dexter in the city of Detroit driving a Chevy vehicle, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you fail to use your seatbelt appropriately that day, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied as to all counts. Thank you.
All right, stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts that we dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right, so at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to fail to use seatbelt assembly system. An amended plea of fail to display a valid operator's license and 3 counts of improper plates. 2 of those charges will be amended to improper plates. Remaining counts called on this record today will be dismissed. I just took them all on the same ticket, Attorney Balkman, to try and make it easier as opposed to going through and trying to find the improper plate ticket.
It makes sense. It was smooth how you did that, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. So, sir, the fine for the seatbelt violation is $65. Typically, you have 14 days to pay that. Is that gonna be enough time for you, sir?
14 days.
Just on the $65.
Yeah, I should better do that in 14 days.
Okay, so I'm gonna put that one at 6/21/23. For the 3 improper tickets, improper plates, I'm gonna charge you $200 per ticket. That's $600 total, but I'm gonna give you a lot of time to pay that, okay?
Okay. Is there any way that I can do a little community service program for that or something?
Mr. Moore, you got all these tickets. Let me tell you something.
Okay.
You got 20,000 tickets and you want to do some community service?
Okay, Your Honor. You're right. You gotta pay a little something. Okay. You say 221? 221. Oh my God.
How about, I know. All right, you can do community service for the cost and fines on this ticket, but you're gonna do 20 hours per ticket.
20 hours?
Yes, so that's gonna be a total of 80 hours. So I'm giving you 20 hours per ticket. Now the seatbelt, I can't wait, because that's a civil infraction. So you're gonna do 20 hours. So you're gonna do 80 hours of community service.
80 hours?
Yes.
Community service. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a phone number to call to set this up, and I'm gonna give you a review date. I'll give you some time to be able to complete this, okay?
Okay.
All right, so the phone number to call is 313
313
965
965
8130.
8130.
Okay, are you currently employed, Mr. Warren?
Oh, not yet. I'm working on that too, though. I'm probably gonna have something. I'm gonna do something.
Okay, all right, because you are going to, so how long do you need? 90 days or 120 days to do 80 hours?
Well, I'm just gonna say 120, and if I'm through with it before then, that'd be cool.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you a review date of October 9th, okay? You have until October 9th to finish this community service, okay?
Okay, October 9th. Then
Okay.
just call it 965-88130.
They'll help you. Yep, they'll set you up with some community service, tell you how to report it and everything. We'll try and make it in your community. That way you don't have to worry about a whole lot of transportation. And then you gotta go there and complete all these 80 hours of community service, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, don't forget you gotta pay that $65 ticket though. I didn't waive the cost on that one, okay?
Okay, I got that one wrote down. Okay, I got it all wrote down.
I know you do. I see you diligently taking notes over there, so make sure you take care of it, okay?
Yeah, okay,
All right, sir, if there's nothing further, you are all set. The remaining tickets are going to be dismissed. If you have any reinstatement fees, though, you have to pay those. I can't waive those, but you have some time to pay those. That's not a set date, okay?
okay.
All right, Mr. Warren, I'll see you back October the 9th for a review to make sure you did the community service, okay?
Okay. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. All right, have a good day, sir.
All right.
All right. Carl White?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, turn on the camera, please. All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Carl Anthony White. This is U ticket 640-51322. This is one count of operating in a place of illegal occupation. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Would you, sir, please state your full name?
Carl Anthony White.
Your Honor, we're going to need a trial date, please. The defendant is aware of his right to a jury trial. He's going to waive that here today and ask to proceed at a bench trial by Zoom, please, and thanks. And
All
not
right,
on August 28th.
And not August 20th. Thank you. I appreciate it. Please raise your right hand, Mr. White. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And it's my understanding that you want to have a waiver trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna set it for the date of September 19th, okay? September 19th via Zoom. The same way you zoomed in today, zoom in that day, September 19th at 9 a.m., okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Bond is at $0. All right, you're all set, sir. I'll see you for your trial date that day, okay? Come in just like you did today, okay?
September 19th, 9 a.m.
That's right, sir. I'll see you there for your drive.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too, thank you. Right, you want to people Sean Xavier, Tristan Face. I'm seeing on the back. George Wade.
Yes.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus George Augustus Wade III. This is ticket SP 1392871. Count 1, drive unregistered and untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, please state your full name.
George Augustus Wade III.
Thank you, and good morning again, Mr. Wade. Your Honor, this is a pretrial, and to his credit, the defendant has presented to my attention valid and current registration and insurance. His insurance is from the USAA Underwriters Company. I think they're from Rancho Cucamonga, California, and that will not expire until December of this year. His registration was just renewed, Your Honor, will not expire until May of 2024, both in his name as those documents are valid and current, and as to my attesting to them as an officer of the court. Would you please dismiss these cases? I'd stipulate to probable cause for that.
All right, being an officer of the court, having seen valid documentation, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Sir, make sure to always keep everything valid, up to date in your vehicle, okay?
Okay,
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set. Thank you, Mr. Wade.
thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye. Martez Wesley.
Yes.
All right, turn on your camera for me, sir. All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Martez Wesley. This is ticket SP 1072623. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number SP 1073340. One count drive a registered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, please state your name.
Martez Devontae Wesley.
Thank you. Mr. Wesley is here for the purpose of arraignment on a bench warrant. For that purpose, we will thank the court for its reading of the information and charges, waive any more formal reading, Your Honor. We're gonna plead not guilty for arraignment purposes, Judge, but ultimately the defendant is going to waive his rights to any further hearings or trials today. He's been advised he wishes to enter into a plea agreement whereby if he pleads to the reduced charge of failure to display a valid driver's license and no point offense, the balance of the instant cases will be dismissed here. I'm stipulate the probable cause for that recommendation and thank the court. He's ready on a potential basis.
Thank you so much. Court's gonna set aside any bench warrants that may be out there, enter pleas of not guilty. But sir, can you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
I want to take your attention back to the date of March 8th of 2020. Sir, were you in the area of Shane and Mack in the city of Detroit driving a Chevy vehicle?
Yes.
And while you're driving that vehicle, had you never acquired your driver's license, sir?
If it was for Chevy Camaro, I think I did have my driver's license. I just didn't have it present on my person.
Okay, failed to display is what he's pleading to anyway.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm satisfied. Thank you.
The court is satisfied as well. Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
All right, so at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to the amended charge of fail to display. The remaining counts will be dismissed. Mr. Wesley, you always have to have your license on you at all times, okay?
Okay.
And have insurance and all those good things on your vehicle, okay?
Yes.
All right, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
About 60 days.
Okay, I'll have it due no later than August 7th, 2023, okay, sir?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
You said $200?
Yes, sir, $200.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Your Honor, with your permission, I'm gonna go in and get Miss Watley before we lose her again.
Cool, go ahead. I'll hold Ms. White on the screen.
Thank you.
All right, Ms. White, just hold tight, okay?
Okay. And then Williams second.
Ready, Your Honor.
All right.
Hello.
Hello, Ms. Wiley.
How you doing?
Hold on, Ms. Wiley, hold on 1 second, okay? All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Tamika Watley. This is ticket SP 1420051. One count, prohibited left turn. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Also calling ticket number SP 1420052. One count, improper plate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman for the defendant. Please state your name, ma'am.
Tamika Watley.
Thank you, Your Honor. We're here for our pretrial. The defendant's been advised she's going to waive her right to any further hearings. You're going to plead guilty today. The recommendation is that she would plead to the improper plate count here, and the remaining counts would be dismissed.
And if that's how you want to proceed, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Buffman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters. You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, do you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of January 3rd of 2023. Were you in the area of Gratiot and East 7 Mile in the city of Detroit driving a Ford vehicle?
Yes.
And while you're driving that Ford vehicle, did it have improper plates on it?
Yes.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor. Stipulate the probable cause as to the matters being dismissed.
All right, so at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to one count improper plates. The remaining counts will be dismissed. Ma'am, my fine is $200. How long do you need to pay that, 30 or 60 days?
Right now I would say 60 because I just paid my rent. So.
Yeah. Okay. I am going to put it on August 7th, 2023. Okay. August 7th is due. Ma'am, there's probably a reinstatement fee on that, no proof of insurance. That's extra. Just know that, okay? So if you see a higher price, that's why. That you owe some extra money, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, you are all set.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
You too.
Ms. White, you can unmute yourself, okay?
Okay.
Now calling the matter of people versus Brandy White. This is ticket SX 4071394. Count. I don't know if you have this ticket. Do you have this ticket? Count 1, speed, freeway 1 to 5 over. Count 2, no operator's license on person. That was waived though. And then count 3, no proof of insurance. Ticket number SP 12832-801. Drove while license not valid or improper license. And count 2 on that ticket is no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Okay, please court Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name, ma'am?
Brandy White.
So, Your Honor, I believe a case that was not mentioned that is still open for the defendant would be SP 128-32791. I have informed the prosecutor, if that case is open, of the presence of that open case. Ms. Snyder has agreed to dismiss all of the cases that are open against the defendant, and that would include the cases that were read onto the record whereby she paid them and closed them. The speeding, the no insurance civil infraction were both paid and closed by the defendant. And for that reason, the prosecutor is agreeing to dismiss the remaining cases that are open for the defendant. I would stipulate the probable cause for that recommendation, Your Honor. Thank you.
That case, that 12-832-791 is closed.
Okay.
So what's the offer?
The offer is to dismiss any of the instant cases for the fact that they are already closed and paid, and anything that's not closed and paid would be closed and paid by way of the agreement. And I believe that's only SP 128-32801.
All right, she had a 022. Did you have that one too? The no insurance misdemeanor?
And that as well, Your Honor, would be closed here for the fact she paid a speeding, she paid an insurance, and she even paid the admission case. Right.
Okay, all right. So at this time, the court is going to dismiss without prejudice case number SP 1283280, counts 1 and 2 in these particular matters, all right? You're all set, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, bye-bye. You can log off, Ms. White. Andrew Williams?
I'm here.
Okay, now calling the case of the matter of the people versus Andrew Winfro Williams. This is ticket SP 1364746. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name, sir, please?
Andrew Williams.
Thank you, Your Honor. The defendant is here for a pretrial. So he also presents with valid and current, I believe it was registration and insurance. 1 minute while I consult my notes.
That's what it was.
Yeah, it was just his registration, Judge. I have that document. I've forwarded it to the prosecutor. The recommendation is that the matter would be dismissed for compliance. I stipulate to probable cause. Thank you.
All right, so at this time, the court's going to dismiss these matters without prejudice for valid documentation. Sir, make sure you always keep everything valid, up to date in your vehicle, okay?
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome, no problem. Have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you. Devonta Westbury,
Yes.
all right. You have a tank top on, like a undershirt?
Yeah, I just took my shirt off. I might put it back on now.
Okay, put your shirt back on. Boy. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Devonta Malik Westbury. This is ticket SP 1315183. 1 count drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Mr. Westbury, please state your full name.
Devontae Westbury.
Thank you. Judge, can we confirm that Mr. Westbury's driver's license is valid today? He did present that to me, and it appears to be valid and current.
Okay, let me see.
It was issued in October of last year.
Okay. Sir, did you pay those other 2 tickets you got while you got this ticket? Because it's gonna make your license invalid again if you don't pay that no proof of insurance.
I'm trying to see where them came from. Cause I mean, I took care of everything when I went and got my license. So I know I ain't get no new tickets since then.
No, but if you didn't take care of these tickets, and they got issued the same day with no license, they are. I have to take it.
Okay.
His license may be suspended.
It is?
See, I
Okay.
fear it may, if no proof of insurance is in default, then, yeah, it is. It's suspended.
So,
So
Your Honor,
if he didn't pay that ticket.
would you consider adjourning this matter for a short period of time, allowing the defendant to pay the $45 reinstatement fee on that single count for no insurance? I know it's above and beyond, but considering that the instant cases, what would you rather do? Just tell me.
I'm going to have him pay the no insurance
Okay.
ticket in its entirety.
All right.
And then I'll dismiss the other 2 tickets.
Perfect.
Okay.
Is that okay, Mr. Westbury?
Yep.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Stipulate to the 4 corners of the ticket in order to establish a factual basis.
For the purpose of the plea here today, yes, so stipulated.
Thank you. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to no proof of insurance. The remaining ticket failed to stop at a stop street or intersection, as well as the license while suspended will be dismissed, okay? Pay that ticket. When you pay that ticket, your license should be unsuspended. But until that point in time, because of that no insurance, pay it. You typically have 14 days to be able to pay it. That takes you to June 21st, 2023, okay?
All right. And how much is it?
It's $195. I'm sorry, $195.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set.
Okay. Thank you. You're
welcome. I might get karate chop for that one, but I feel like that's
my spidey senses were tingling.
I was like, I'm about to get karate chop.
I can feel it through the screen.
It's all right. I'll take one for the team, okay? Attorney Bachman for that one.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Lakeisha Watkins.
Yes.
All right. Attorney Bachman, I'm good in you. I'm gonna send you a chat real quick about Miss Watkins. Nothing that you don't know about Miss Watkins. Did you want me to get Jay Ash on so he could talk to her about possible participation in street outreach?
I don't. I didn't have a conversation of that nature with her. But maybe I can discuss that as an alternative with her really quick.
Yeah, I'm gonna get him.
I didn't hear you.
I know, Miss Watkins. Miss Watkins, you gotta turn your phone up, okay? I know you're on a cell phone, but take off the Bluetooth because that'll make the phone louder a lot of times, okay?
Okay.
So
she told my clerk off the record. She told my clerk that she may have some housing issues. And
yeah, she does. Absolutely does.
I can get her into a program that will help her take care of all these tickets and help with housing issues.
Oh well, we have no objection to that. We're all for it.
We can keep moving on, but I'm gonna keep her on the screen, so that we can get him connected and he can talk to her about the program and see if she wants to be a part of it. It'll help her completely, okay? As well as she doesn't worry about the ticket. It'll help with her tickets too. Okay?
Understood. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let me get this. It took me a while to get him today because he's been busy, but I'm gonna get him on the phone and then he's gonna log in. I'm gonna put him into a room with you. So I'm gonna put you back into a breakout room. It's gonna be quiet. And then the guy, his name is Jayash Patel, is gonna sign on and talk to you, okay?
I'm sorry, yeah, I did not hear you. I'm sorry. I'm trying to listen.
I know. I don't know what's going on with your phone. It's okay. I'll shout a little bit. Ma'am, I'm gonna put you into a breakout room so you can speak with the guy. His name is Jayash Patel. He's signing on right now, so give him a moment, but he's gonna come in there and talk to you about our program, okay?
Okay. May I say something?
Yes.
Did they let you know that I was homeless?
Yep, and that's why he's signing on. Ma'am, it's a program where they'll help you with all of your tickets, help get your license back, hopefully, as well as get you housing and other things you may need, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
What about my sister for my community?
The what?
Community
My
service.
sister for my community service?
We gonna help you with all of it, okay? I know that you had, this was a review, the 20 hours of community service. Did you finish that or no?
No, he told me that
Okay.
to ask for stitches because I
I'll
wouldn't
give
have
you an
enough time.
extension, but you're having some other difficulties too. I want to be able to help you out a little bit more, okay, Ms. Watkins?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
You are so welcome, because we're gonna figure this out, because then we may be able to waive some of this if that's an issue, okay?
Understood, Your Honor.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, just be patient though, okay? He's signing on now, so you're gonna be back quiet, okay? I'm just letting you know, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
You want me to?
No, sorry. Yeah, she kind of talked to my clerk a little bit this morning. Sorry, Attorney Bosman.
No problem.
Renee Watkins? All right, now calling the matter of People versus Renee Watkins. This is ticket SP 1204068, count one, drove unregistered or untitled vehicle. That ticket's here for a review. Ticket number SP 1358323, count one, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle, count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, would you unmute your device and state your name for the record?
Renee Watkins.
Thank you. Your Honor, please mute your device, ma'am. The defendant is here for the purpose of review. She was given the opportunity to do community service. She has not had she has not done the community service for the simple fact that she hasn't received a call back from Miss Green. I just asked for some more time. I'll come back for a pretrial on the other matters and another review date, please.
All right. Yes, a payment arrangement set up with the tickets on the 7/1/2022 case. So I only
Right.
had a community service on the other one. So how much longer do you think you need to do the community service, Ms. Renee Watkins?
Your Honor, I'm just waiting for them to get back in contact with me. Like I
Ms.
said, I
Watkins,
tried before.
I know, but then you said you never heard from them, and that was a year ago. So now my question is, you gotta call back.
No, I've been calling throughout. I've been calling throughout that time because I have a disabled adult son who had community service, and I was trying to do it with him at the same place. But I've been calling, so I'm just waiting for them to get back in contact with me.
Okay, here's what I want you to do, Ms. Watkins.
Okay.
I know today is a stressful day for you. Go to that place where your son is doing community service, have them write you a letter and forward it to the court, and I'll accept that.
Okay, it's a church. They want me to go to church for one day.
Church for one day? That's not gonna be 24 hours.
That's, look, that's where he went. That's what they wanted. You know, that's where he
It
went.
seem like it's gonna be on a continual basis. That's why I was like,
Well,
are you the caregiver of your son?
Yes,
Is she
I'm
the
the single
caregiver of her
guardian.
son?
Yes, Your Honor.
And see, he
Let me
had
see how much she has a payment plan arranged. It's all right, Ms. Watkins. I'm gonna speak for you, because at this point in time, we a year later, and you ain't done nothing the court said to do. And you got 2 extra tickets during that time. Well, you got a lot of extra tickets. Let me find out something real quick.
Standing by, Your Honor.
All right, Attorney Bachman, back on the record. You know, you need a moment, Attorney Bachman? I understand if you do. I didn't want to. I thought you made a drink, I apologize.
I'm okay.
Okay, cool. All right. So, all right. She had on 7/1/2022, she received 4 additional tickets. They're all on a payment plan right now for those 4 tickets. In addition to that, she has an untitled, unregistered vehicle, as well as a no insurance misdemeanor, which is the same exact ticket she got like a year before then. And I ordered her to do 24 hours of restitution, which has not been done. Although the court frowns greatly upon people who do not follow court orders at all. And then upon today, when I said, can she do the community service at the church, it was for a day, which would be 3 hours, which would not equate to any of my community service. It seems like she's having a difficult time with things. When she gets new tickets, she'll come before me and we'll handle those new tickets. Today, the court is going to close out her other matter. I'll just put that she owes $0. I'll dismiss case number SP 1358323, counts 1 and 2. I wish her good luck and everything, and I hope she gets her insurance as well as that vehicle registered, or else she's gonna be right here before me again, and I'm going to. All right.
Your Honor, I stipulate to, hold on before you say anything, Ms. Watkins. I stipulate to probable cause as to those matters being dismissed. I thank the court on behalf of the defendant. Then I would ask her to just say less, because the best thing you can do, Ms. Watkins, is not come back before this judge with some more new tickets. Please stop driving. You're going to get a break, but the next time is going to be something other than a break. And that's just my feelings, my intuition rather. So thank you, Your Honor. We recognize that this is an incredible amount of mercy that you've shown to the defendant. And thank you.
Sometimes life happens, so I understand, Ms. Watkins, but you gotta make sure that next time a court orders you to do something, do it, okay? All right. I believe she's at a court hearing for her child right now, so I'm going to end this matter now. You're all set, Ms. Watkins, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, have a good day. We're working our way through. I got one person who kind of signed in late to Attorney Bachman, but I'm gonna let her on. She was here earlier, but she kept having issues. I'm gonna bring her in so she knows what's going on. Mr. Nay Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, so when we finish, I have 2 more people to do. When we finish, Attorney Bachman is gonna come in there and talk to you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I might be spelling your name wrong. If I spell it wrong, change it when you get to the room, okay?
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna put you in room number 2, okay? It's on.
Okay.
And like I said, we have 2 more matters, and then he's gonna come in there and talk to you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Williams. All right, Ms. Connie Wright. I'm gonna get ready. Ms. Watkins, I'm gonna go ahead and let you out, okay? Have a great rest of your day, okay? All right. All right. Now calling the matter of the people first is Connie Nicole Wright. This is ticket SP 619234. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive while license suspended. Ticket number SP 1374827. 1 count open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Ms. Wright, would you unmute your device, announce your name?
Connie, right?
Judge, these matters were set for trial at 9 a.m. It is now 11:27. I anticipate that without either Officer Reyes Morales or Officer Turnage, that the people will not be able to proceed in these matters. I'm moving to dismiss without prejudice. The defendant has been advised.
All right, the time is now 11:28 a.m. No officers being present. The court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. You're all set, Ms. Wright. Thank you for your patience this morning.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Mr. Wright. Unmute yourself. Know how to do that? Let me help you, sir. See it? Okay, there you go. Now calling the matter of the people versus Friedrich Cleo Lee Wright. This is ticket SP 1336896. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Also calling cases number SP 1337908, count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, please state your full name.
Frederick clearly right.
Thank you, and good morning again, Mr. Wright.
Good morning
The
to you.
defendant is going to pursue some valid documentation, Your Honor. We just asked for a pretrial date to return.
All right, sir. I'm going to give you a pretrial date of August 29th. That gives you plenty of time to get this together, okay? August 29th.
Yes,
At
ma'am.
8:30 a.m., I'm going to set your bond at $0. And Mr. Wright, you look very nice for court this morning. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you, ma'am. You
All
are.
right, so we'll see you. That gives you a lot of time, so hopefully you'll be able to get some documentations together, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, cool. All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, sir. I'll see you back at August 29th via Zoom. Bond is set at $0. All right, Mr. Wright, you're all set.
Okay, same room number?
Same room number 360-337-0000, okay?
All right, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome, Mr. Wright. See you then, okay?
Yes, ma'am. And good day to all.
Same to you, sir, okay?
Okay, bye-bye.
All right, bye. Hey, Jess.
Hey, how are you? Can you hear me?
I can hear you. I'm gonna just put you in the room. Her name is Lachey Watkins, okay? And then she, if everything's good, we can just put it in out 6 months or whatever, okay?
Okay, perfect.
Cool. All right.
I mean, not before his first day in the morning, but that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, that's cool. You just gotta pay a fine. Just tell me to drive it on improper plates. I'll pay like for tax.
Okay, thank you. All right.
Ms. Williams, mute your device until we're ready to begin, please.
Yes, sir.
And now since you at home, put a little covering over your shoulders, Miss Williams, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then I'll handle her matter.
Ms. Williams, that looks a little awkward. Why don't you just try throw on a shirt, please, or a robe even?
Quick, I'm here, you to my last person, so go do it, and then I'll do it, okay? You gotta be ready for court, because what you don't know is, I don't know if you know, I can see you, and so can everybody on YouTube.
Ma'am, turn your video off, please, until you are ready to proceed. Do you see how to do that? Thank you.
Hot dog, Miss Williams, thank you.
I'm sorry about
It's
that.
I know. It just lets me know you don't come to court often, which is okay. I just need you, when you are here, to know how to do it, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, give your attorney 1 second, okay? And then we'll get started.
Okay.
Stop on mute for a moment.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, we good. All right. We're now calling the matter of the people versus Danae Williams. This is ticket SP 1363447. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Ma'am, unmute your device, state your full name.
Danae Williams.
Thank you, Judge. We're here for a pretrial. The defendant has been advised and she's going to waive her right to any further hearings or trials. She's going to plead guilty to improper plate here. That is the recommendation of the prosecutor. I'm stipulating a probable cause as to the matter being dismissed, the driver's license matter.
All right, if that's the case, ma'am, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth.
Thank you, Ms. Williams. You can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And you can understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters. You understand that?
Can you repeat that?
Sure can. By taking this plea today, then you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, do you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I want to take your attention back to the date of September the 18th of 2022. At that time, ma'am, were you driving a Ford vehicle in the area of Shane and Larned Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you not have any car insurance on it at the time?
No, ma'am.
All right,
That's
satisfied,
right.
counsel?
Yes, I am. Thank you. So
Thank you.
stipulated to as the probable cause for the dismissal.
All right, thank you. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plate. Ms. Williams, how close are you to getting your license?
She has a Tennessee license, Judge. We just couldn't verify it.
Okay. Okay. Are you in Tennessee now?
Ma'am,
Are you in Tennessee now?
no, I'm in Detroit.
Okay, all right. My fine is typically $200. Is that something you're able to afford?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, how long do you need? 30 or 60 days?
You can give me 30 days.
Okay, all right. I'll have it due no later than July 7th, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further. I wish I could verify that for you, okay? You trying to get it switched to a Michigan license, or are you going back to Tennessee?
I'm gonna get a switch to Michigan license.
Okay, cool. All right, well, good luck to you with that. Get your car insurance though,
Yes, ma'am.
okay? You learned a valuable lesson, okay? All right, Ms. Williams, good luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.